6 squared minus 6 minus 10 divided by 2. The first thing we're going to do is square that 6. We get 36 minus 6 minus 10 divided by 2. Then 36 minus 6 is 30. 30 minus 10 divided by 2. Then we'll do this subtraction. 30 minus 10. We get 20. 20 divided by 2. And you get 10. Unfortunately, that is not a correct answer. Here's the order of operations. Let's review. PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, might be how you learned it, but here's what they stand for. You do all your parentheses first. You do all your exponents. You multiply and divide in order from left to right. So you might divide first before you multiply. Just depends on what comes up first. And same with adding and subtracting, in order from left to right. Now, this problem had no parentheses, but it did have exponents, so we started correctly. You needed to do that 6 squared first to get 36. But then we couldn't have done this subtraction first. We had to skip to the back and do that division. We made a mistake here, but then we made that same mistake on the next line as well. But we're good towards the end, but 2 mistakes there, so we got a wrong answer. Let's do it again. This time we'll follow the order of operations. Let's do that exponent first. That we started right. Now, instead of doing 36 minus 6, we've got to go back here and do that 10 divided by 2. So we get 36 minus 6 minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now we're going to do these subtractions in order from left to right. So 36 minus 6, that gets us 30 minus 5, and 30 minus 5 is 25. That is the correct answer. Did you choose wisely? I hope so. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.